rather sketchy place, I'm not gonna lie. Very thin door frame. And look, it's in a regular door frame. That's the funny thing. It's an elevator door frame in a regular door. It's an elevator door in a regular door frame. That's why it looks funny. Also, look at this cab. This is very bright. It's like something in a hospital. Down to 1. This panel's seen better days. I believe this is an LRV. But the tube has been burned. What's up? Oh yeah, you going up? Yeah. There it goes.